Hebei Hylite Machinery Company Limited is known as a professional manufacturer of steel wire drawing machines in north of China. It is an ISO 9001 approved enterprise and a high technology enterprise of Hebei Province, located in Changzhou, nearby Beijing. The company is dedicated to the R&D and manufacture of wire processing equipment. The wire drawing machine manufactures steel wires by using wire rod as raw material and reducing its diameter as much as you want. By having our machines, you will only have to buy the wire rod in its primary state, and you will be able to reduce its diameter for all kinds of uses. Our machines have been certified by CE and have been exported to over 30 countries around the world. It is highly praised for its advanced design, good performance, and long service life. Our main products are steel wire drawing machine, steel wire strander, steel wire straightener, ribbed steel bar machine, PC steel bar machine, NPR steel bar machine, wire mesh making machine, nail making machine, welding wire making machine. These are widely used in infrastructure, pre-stressed concrete, concrete pipe pile, wire mesh industry, and many other industries. Hylite has its own R&D team consisting of Chinese and Italian engineers, production department, and quality management system. Also, it has an after-sales service team that can serve everywhere on the earth. We provide warranty for all our products and accessories.